When you hear growth hormone, you might think of bodybuilders. But here's what most women don't know. Growth hormone is also how we regenerate tissue, burn fat, preserve muscle, and repair skin while we sleep. I personally love this peptide. CJC 1295 with Ipamorelin is a gentle, injectable peptide combination that stimulates your own natural GH release. It's not a hormone, it's a signal your body still does the work. I found this to be the foundation for almost every woman's muscle stack, especially if you're in your 40s, 50s, or beyond. It supports lean tone, recovery, fat metabolism, better sleep, and even wrinkle repair. Most women notice deeper sleep, improved definition, and less soreness within a few weeks. The best part? It works while you rest. I like to take it at night 5 days a week. I am sleeping so good after many years of struggling, and I know that this specific peptide has contributed to my success. And I always remind women, this one's subtle but powerful. It compounds over time. This is the peptide that rebuilds while you reign.